Okay, obviously we've got Tesla here. Stock's up $1 or $2. It's really still sitting in our sweet spot. It'd be great if that was here on Friday, but they've got their big metrics coming out I think tomorrow. So, we'll keep a close eye on that. Everybody, I think, got into VIX yesterday. If you didn't let me know, and I can put out a revalidation on that, but I'm pretty sure we got into VIX. Yesterday was a great day for just risk management. And, with the rest of the week here, obviously going to be extremely slow with only a half day tomorrow, no trade on Thursday. And then, Friday, maybe it'll pick up a little bit, but the volume's going to be really light because lots of people gone for the holidays. This is absolutely not a time where we want to force anything. If we see something that we just can't pass up, great. But this is not a time to be forcing anything at all.